Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can see mutual friends on Snapchat. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to see mutual friends on Snapchat. So you might want to find a mutual friend like Facebook and Instagram mutual followings and so on. If that is the case, make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Snapchat and go ahead and update or download the Snapchat app. Once you have updated Snapchat, I'm going to go ahead and then simply open the Snapchat app on my phone. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you're basically logged into your account. After you're logged in, what you want to do is on the top left hand side of the screen, you have to simply tap on a little Bitmoji avatar which you see. So go ahead and tap on the Bitmoji avatar. As you tap on the Bitmoji avatar and come to your profile page on Snapchat, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. You want to scroll down and you'll find the section which says My Friends, or else you could simply go to this section which says Add Friend. Now whenever you tap on Add Friends, you'll be able to see this little option which says Quick Add. And these are generally the people on Snapchat who has some kind of mutual friends with you. You will understand that Snapchat will not directly list you and tell you that this person is a mutual friend with one of your friends. However, on the quick add section, Snapchat might notice that they might know you, and it will suggest you friends depending on whether all of them are mutual or not. For example, these people could be one of my friends who are already friend on my Snapchat app, and you could just be able to see their name pop up on the screen, or they could be listed on your contacts and so on. But Snapchat does not have a definitive option like Facebook and so on, which lets you see the mutual friends. So that is simply the truth of this video. We hope this video gave you some insights about the mutual friends on Snapchat. We also hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.